Thanks for joining me here today for another in our HobbyDB tutorials. Today we're going to help you create an exciting showcase for your collection with HobbyDB. Now, we're going to talk about showcases, and there's something else called collections. Collections are more for you. Showcases is for you to show off to other people what you have in your collection. And today we're going to help you out. For example, here is a great one that is all about Batman. This showcase is by the Bat Collector, and you can see all the many items he has here. In fact, he has himself several pages. He has items here. This shows you the estimated value of his collection. By the way, you can have this on or off when you set up your showcase. You can share this on Facebook or Twitter to show off your collection. And he's a curator. That means he helps to specialize and keep track of other Batman items here on HobbyDB. And this is his top 10 hot items. These are the most expensive items he has in his list. Now, this is all about Batman. Now, I'm going to show you how to make one completely from scratch, and we're going to do that by looking at a page that I set up. Now, my username is Lantern Core. I'm a big Green Lantern fan, so we're going to do something with the Green Lantern today, and I'm going to take you step by step on how to make your page. Now, we're going to start with this area right here where you're going to have the avatar. You're going to hit that edit button. So right here is where we're going to do our upload. You go to the upload button, hit the blue, go to whatever item you would like to upload. It could be a picture of yourself. It could be, in my case, about the Green Lantern. And then you're going to scroll down and enter something about what it is you collected. All about Green Lantern and the core. Then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit the save. Now we're going to come back to our main page. You can see it was successfully saved. I'm going to do a quick refresh. So now you can see there's my avatar that I've uploaded. Now we're going to do the same thing with the banner. By the way, the ideal dimensions for a banner are 1200 pixels by 250 pixels. You want to go add your banner. Again, whatever it is, search something fun out on the internet that represents your favorite collection, or why not just have a picture of your collection as your banner. You're going to upload that, give it a moment, and then you're going to hit save. Once again, I'm going to refresh the page here in a moment, and we will see there's my avatar, there's my banner. Next, we're going to add some items to the collection. You can search out items already on HobbyDB that you have in your collection. Now, this is a lot of fun, and I'm going to search the database for the Green Lantern. And here you go. These are items that I actually have in my collection. You just hit the collection button, and then you can add it to it. So give it a few moments. I'm going to go search out some items, and then I'll show you what my page looks like, nicely populated. All right, now my page is nicely populated. Let's go back and take a look at my showcase here. You go over, hit your showcase, and now you can see my page is populated with many, many Green Lantern items. Now, we're going to go on the bottom, and I've got a couple pages here, but I'm going to show you how to feature an item. So we're going to take this one right here, hit this little star button, and we're going to turn it into a feature. Now it's going to repopulate, and you can see this is my front page again, page number 1, and you can see it's featured. Now, this featured button over here is for people that come to your page and they want to see your newest item, the oldest item, the lowest price. They can search out and learn more about your site, or you can use it to review what you have in your collection. When you see the stars, it means this is only for you. This is not what the people who visit your site will actually see. Now, let me show you a couple of great examples about what other people have done with their showcases here on HobbyDB. This is Tim Bruckner. He's from DC Comics. He's been around. He does sculpting. Look at all the great items he has on there. This is Adam Goldberg, who is associated with Disney, and this is how his showcase looks. This is the collector who works with die-cast car collecting and is one of our top sellers on HobbyDB. This individual does card collecting. Again, there's so many different things that you can use HobbyDB for. This individual is doing the Garbage Pail Kids and many, many items on their page. And finally, this is Blossom Girl, and she loves her pens. You can see she is a pen master. She's a curator of many items at many locations. She also has badges. We'll talk about those in another video coming up. And here's her top 10 for Blossom Girl of the items that she has. And these are some of the exciting examples of what you can do with your showcase right here on HobbyDB. As always, we are here to help you to get the most out of your experience and out of your collectibles. So make sure you go to our help area and learn more about the many things you can do with HobbyDB if you have any questions, or visit our YouTube channel. We're always adding more videos of how-to interviews and specialty interviews. And you can always contact us directly right here, support@hobbydb.com.